What's up guys, this is Jeff.
And this is me, Nathan.
And welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, we are gonna unbox the
Oculus Quest 2.
And this is actually for Nathan.
Yeah.
Yay! So we just got it today. I actually ordered this last night.
Oculus Quest 2. And it's basically like kind of the better version of the Quest 2. At least some people think that and some people don't. So
it is the Oculus Quest 2 in 256 gigabytes. Oh, before anything else, so we actually surprised Nathan. He didn't know that we are picking up the Oculus Quest 2 today. So he got really surprised when I was lining up the pickup counter. What? He like literally
I just
almost like cried. It was like
I just went the other way.
Yeah, and he was so awkward and he was teary-eyed. There is a not behind the scene, but I actually filmed it like when we went to Best Buy to pick this one up. So watch this one out first and then we'll do the unboxing. Okay? Alright.
I heard the controllers were big. They don't feel big.
It's small. That's the wider version of the Oculus Quest, though. We're just gonna ask you.
The Oculus Quest 2.
It already came out.
Huh?
Yeah, but is it available here? Thank you.
What is that?
It's yours.
Hey guys, she's crying because it's so emotional.
It was the Oculus Quest 2. It's a perfect surprise today.
Yeah.
I just got the best thing just happened to me. Oh my god.
We are going home.
I'm so happy. Thank you.
I can't wait to play Arizona Sunshine or Beat Saber.
Is that what you're excited for?
Yeah.
Are you ready to unbox
Yes.
this thingy?
Okay,
I think you should start it here, yeah. So,
It actually turned out the other way, I think.
if you see that, I think we're gonna. Oop.
It's gonna be satisfying. Oh, it's so satisfying.
It's so ready to open and
It's this one.
brown box.
Oh my god! Just like what? Okay, I don't think you guys can see this, but
Here it
It's so
is. So I'll just hold it and then take out the pieces.
okay, so
Let's start with the what?
controller. I don't know how to grab this, but here we have the right-handed controller. I always have to open these.
There's actually a sort of a sticker here that says R for right. I hope you can see it.
Okay, let's put this down for me. Okay, now for the headset. Oh, look at this thing. So it's very white. Yeah.
Do you put the cell phone here?
No. Okay, to adjust the lenses, I gotta do it manually.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that's the thing. Oh, with the Oculus Quest 2, you didn't have to do it manually, but with the Quest 1, you didn't have to do it manually, but with the Quest 2, you had to.
What is that? Okay, so this is the instruction manual, I think. Oh,
That's satisfying. Okay.
it's just taking off the peeling off the plastic protector.
Get rid of this.
What is this?
Okay, I gotta loosen that. Oh, that's for glasses. So if you have glasses, I think.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, no, glasses spacer. Yeah, if you have glasses, you might need that. Oh, the other stuff.
I think that's the charger. Here is the charger. Is this a lightning cable? Lightning cable.
That's a USB-C.
Here, this is the charger, guys.
Oh, they already came in.
With a battery.
Yeah. I thought it. Okay.
Oh, you have to remove that then. Okay, show it to them. So this is
So,
where.
with the battery.
Yeah, where they actually store the battery. Okay. So we're just gonna remove it. Just remove it.
Take that off.
Okay. When you open the battery,
Whoa!
you should have to like just it's kind of hard actually, but how do you open the battery, Nathan?
Oh, you gotta look. Okay, so you see this thing? You gotta put.
Yeah, but it's hard.
Different.
What the?
You can't say that.
Oh, here. So you just have to like use your thumb to like pull it down. It will open, and there's a battery already. It comes with a battery. Is this a AAA, AA battery?
I think
And then you just have to slide it back and to return it. I hope you can see it. There you go. When you hear the click, that's it.
Also, Oculus.
How would you know that it's turned on?
Oh, you need a console to play.
There should
Also,
be like a light.
there's hand tracking on this thing.
Huh?
It can track your hands.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, so how do you turn this one on then?
Okay, first you need the
Guys,
power button.
okay, hang on. Guys, this is the strap. But they said the Elite strap is way better than this
Yeah.
because this is not so steady.
Yeah, can we actually loosen that? It's a bit too
I
tight.
think this is gonna be their next feature when they come up with another version of the Quest. But this is how it looks like. This is the lens, right, Nathan?
Yeah, we gotta keep it.
And this is what you're gonna adjust manually.
Yeah, you
Okay.
gotta adjust it like this.
How? Wow.
You gotta adjust it like. I don't know if you.
Also, you can touch it. Oh, okay.
Yeah, you
Here,
can do it manually.
so you can actually turn this. It's not. Oh, I touched
Okay,
this.
before we do anything, we gotta. Can I see something real quick?
Yeah.
Okay, it's on number 2.
What is this?
Here, like
Okay,
this.
well, guys, there's like an
Sorry.
instruction, a small, tiny instruction manual,
I'm not gonna lie, but this I don't know how to.
and like the instruction manual. And this is powered by
What?
the Oculus Quest.
Okay,
2
I don't
is
know.
powered by Facebook. So before you can like download games and stuff like that, you have to
Can you
connect your VR to your Facebook. In order for you to get the app going, you have to
sign in with your
sign in with your Facebook.
Download the Oculus Quest app. As you can see, yeah. We'll just do that.
So basically, these are all the stuff that comes with the box. Let's see. Okay, let's attach this to your big head. Strap adjuster. Adjuster. This is where you can adjust the strap, I believe. So if you have like a bigger head, if your head is like huge, then you can adjust it. So let's try this. Okay, hold it. How about that? Fit?
I mean, no.
Did you already connect it with the app?
No, I haven't.
What are you doing?
One second. Continue. Do I have hand tracking? No, not yet. Adjust the lenses. Adjust the lens spacing if needed. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to do that.
Why? Why do you keep on just adjusting?
Oh no, I can't see it really clearly.
Wow.
Please stay seated for setup. Find
So Nathan, what are you doing right now?
I'm setting up the Wi-Fi, but I don't remember what the password is.
Oh, right now he is connecting. Nathan is connecting to the Wi-Fi. What are you doing?
Yeah, I'm just watching a video.
Oh, is that the instructions?
Yeah.
So
Oh, I need a clear space right now.
yeah, it's a clear space.
Okay.
So when you're setting it up, it shows a video.
Yeah.
Okay.